Here in this tutorial, we will learn about values, variables, and rules for naming variables in Python programming language. Coming into the values, we need to understand what are values. The values are a piece of data that you work with in Python. There can be numbers like 5 or 3.14 and something 6, 7, like that. The words like hello, hi, or other types of data. The values are the actual information stored or used in program. The example of values like coming to the numbers like 10, 25, -3, -6, like that. Coming to the text called as strings, double quote Python, double quote hi, I'm there, like that. Coming into the decimal numbers, like decimal numbers like 3.14 and 0.5, like that. Here is all about values in Python programming language. Next, we need to understand variables. First, we need to learn what are variables. Variables are the names that you give to store values. Think of a variables as a labeled box where you keep your data instead of remembering the value itself. You use the variables name to access or change the value. For example, Python 2 line score equal to 100. The player name is equal to John. Score and player names are variables holding the values are 100 and John respectively. This is all about values and variables. Coming into the rules for naming variables, when you create a variables naming in Python, you need to follow some rules. The first rule is use the letters and numbers and underscore. The variables names can have letters A to Z. It is in the small or capital letter. Like coming to the digits 0 to 9 and underscore. The next point is start with a letter or an underscore. The variable names must begin with a letter or an underscore, not a number. Third one is the no spaces. The variables names cannot have spaces. Use a underscore instead of like my variables, like my underscore variables. The fourth point is the variables are the case sensitive. The variable names are case sensitive. For example, the small letter age is different and the first letter is capital and both to E and E are small are different. The age are different. Age this one is different and this one is different. Don't use a Python keywords. Next one is the fifth point is don't use a Python keywords. You cannot use a reserved words like if, for, while, class, etc. as the variables name. These are all the examples of valid variables names like age, username, count, score one, like that. Examples of invalid variables names like second underscore place. It start with a number. This is not a valid variable. There is not a valid variable. It is an invalid variable. Next one is my space variable. It contains a space. Next one is for. It is a Python keyword. The following these tools help your program run correctly and make your code easier to read. This is all about values and variables in and naming rules for naming variables.